Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscape.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Zencart version 1.5.5f on Linux Mint 18.3. Zencart is an open source and user-friendly shopping cart software. It is based on PHP and using MySQL database. It is used for small and medium and large business to create and manage their online store for free. Okay, now let us see how to install Zencart version 1.5.5f on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.1. First of all, we have to download the Zencart package from browser. So we have to open the browser, then using the following this link. Now we have to click download. Then we have to click save file. Now download is going on. The download is complete now. Then go to download directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to extract this directory using the unzip command. After extracted, again we have to list out this directory. Now we have to rename the extracted directory using the move command. After that, we have to move the Zencart directory into the /var/ww/html directory. Then go to HTML directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for Zencart directory. Give requestly. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Zencart. So go to site available location. Then here we have to create one empty file named zencart.conf using by Vim editor. Change insert mode. Then we have to add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the zencart.conf file. After enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Give our IP. Give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart your Apache server. After restarting your Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Here it will show Zencart installation. So we have to click here. Here it will show system inspection. So we have to click continue. Here it will show system setup. First of all, we have to click license agreement. Then scroll down. Then we have to click continue. Here it will show database setting. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all, we have to give database username. Then password. Then database name. Then scroll down. Then we have to click continue. Here it will show admin user setting. So we have to give admin credential. First of all, we have to give admin username. Then scroll down. Then we have to click continue. Here it will show the installation complete now. Then if you want login your admin page, click here. Then again refresh your page. Now we cannot access this admin page, so we have to delete the zc underscore install directory. So go to terminal. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to remove the zc underscore install directory. Then again open the browser. Then again we have to refresh this page. Then here it will show login page of Zen Cart. So we have to fill the username and password. Then we have to click submit. Here it will show password expired. So we have to change password. First of all we have to give old password. Then give new password. Then we have to click submit. Here it will show store detail. So we have to fill the store detail. Then we have to click update. Here it will show admin dashboard of Zen Cart. That's all about for installation of Zen Cart. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxHelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.